Hello. Let's jump into a topic that's transforming the tech industry. Adaptive reuse for data centers. Now, if you've ever wondered how we can make these power-hungry giants more sustainable, stick around. First off, let's talk about what adaptive reuse actually means. Picture taking an old, abandoned shopping mall or warehouse and giving it a new lease on life by converting it into a modern data center. It's like recycling, but on a massive scale. Why do this? Well, traditional data centers are notorious for their huge carbon footprint. By reusing existing structures, companies can save on construction materials, reduce waste, and cut down on emissions. It's a win-win for the bottom line and the environment. Take, for example, old rundown paper mills. Some of these have been transformed into smooth-running data centers. The cool climate and existing infrastructure make them ideal candidates for adaptive reuse. Plus, they're reducing the need for new land development. And it's not just about the environment. Adaptive reuse can also bring economic benefits to local businesses. Revitalizing unused buildings creates jobs and stimulates local economies. Imagine turning a deserted mall into a hub of tech innovation. It's like breathing new life into a ghost town. But how do companies actually do it? It starts with a thorough assessment to ensure the structural soundness of the building and its suitability for high-tech equipment. Then it's all about smart engineering, from cooling systems to power management. The goal is to create a facility that's both efficient and sustainable. So, next time you hear about a new data center, think beyond the flashy, modern buildings. Consider the old factories, warehouses, and even malls that are being transformed into the backbone of our digital world. Adaptive reuse is not just a trend, it's the future of sustainable tech. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of tech and sustainability. See you next time.